Hi everybody. To help complete the circle of the major chords that exist around these 3 frets, or even 4 frets for that matter, we're going to have to go back to that. In order to get a B major, there is no really easy way to play a B major on a guitar. Technically this is a B major. I don't know anybody who plays it this way. Most people are going to play it like so. Okay, so how do you get there? Well, you use one of the A major alternative fingerings, which prepares you for bar chords. So you got to take this finger, make sure you bend it back, lay it across the D string, the G string, and the B string. Okay, then you're going to slide it up 2 frets and put down your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to pluck the A string, the D string, the G string, and the B string. That's what it should sound like. This is B major. Okay, one more time. Take your ring finger, make sure you've got a lot of agility in it, bend it back, sit it across 3 strings, the D string, the G string, and the B string. Okay, then slide it up 2 frets and lay down your first finger, you point the finger, and that's what it should sound like, B major. I hope that helps you.